In this mini lecture, we're going to talk about 8 points. And it is in reference to the blog article that talks about how the wealthy are now dining at places like Hyatt and Applebee's. But I want you to look at these business principles and entrepreneurship principles that I believe they are in fact applying. So there's customer centricity, where it seems like they're monitoring their consumer behavior trends and then adjusting the offerings to meet this new need, right? This new customer need and priorities. And so they're very customer focused, as they should be. Everyone should be. But they're definitely very customer focused. Then adaptability. They're showing their flexibility and adaptability during these times because they're introducing new value-oriented menu items in response to economic factors like inflation. And we know at the time of this lecture, we're pretty much in a recession. They haven't called it. The SAM rule indicated it. The government hasn't called it, but we feel it. We believe it. Then the marketing and market research. Their analysis is rooted in market research from credible sources, and it shows that they're data-driven in their decision-making. And they're making, affordable options. Then there's pricing strategy, where they're promoting discounted deals and value menus in a smart way. And they're balancing affordability and profitability because the cost of food items have gone up. We know this. But it's helping to drive consumer demand the way they're doing their pricing strategy. Then there is experience orientation. The article that it's on the blog here at walkingbanktheory.com, it discussed how, the dining preferences are shifting from formal atmospheres to now more just enjoyable experiences. And businesses are getting in tune with that. So they're observing the shift in mindsets of their consumers. Let's move now into sustainability. These restaurants are catering to evolving standards of what is most important to customers, and it supports sustainable growth and longevity rather than chasing short-term trends. I want all of you listening to this, my gig workers, my walking bank theorists, yes, pay attention to these indicators, to these principles, ideologies that I'm sharing with you. Then creative problem solving. They're finding creative solutions to the issue of inflation when they're introducing these eye-catching limited time offers that also boost perceived value. And then last but not least is business agility. So they're altering their promotional strategies and shifting target market. This is demonstrating their ability to adapt nimbly as conditions change in the market. So these are the entrepreneurial principles that I wanted you to pick up on, business principles. I feel like these are important, independent of the industry. In this case, we did a case analysis of the Hyatt and of Applebee's, and you go to the blog and you'll see the source articles for that. I am Elisa Marie Fid. Make sure you've done the free research quiz to assess your walk-in bank level. And if you've already done it, well, now is the time for you to get your talent monetization plan up and running, as we are now in one of the most serious and uncertain economic times. All right. So again, I'm Elisa Marie Fid. Thank you for being a part of the walkingbanktheory.com mini lecture. Take care.